Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video. So in this video, we are going to make this template, Spotify template. So in the last video, we have learned how to send the embedded image attachments and everything. So if you haven't watched that video, I have provided the link in the description as well as in the I link. So go and watch that video also. And one of my humble requests is please like this video because I'm not getting any likes and comment. So please do support, guys. I need really need your support. Thank you. So let's move how to build this type of template. So let's go to the code. So first we have to make a HTML file. So spotify.html. So in this file, we will write all the HTML code. Okay. So let's see again the design pattern. Okay. These are divided into the some parts. So let's it be first part, then second part, and it is the third, then fourth. So there must be the four or maybe more than four parts. So let's start building. So first we will build this part, red part. Set the scenes with the mood music. Okay, let's go and build that. So first we have to make a main container. Basically, let's be main, and we will also write the style first. Okay, style, and we will use same. If you see, there is a font. We will use Roboto font here. So we will write font family Roboto. Okay, this font contain Roboto also. So we will use this font. So then go to the main. We'll write style for main class. Okay, there be main, not main. We will write and give style to the margin. Basically 0, then 20%, 20% not pixel. Okay, then there is first container. So let it be M1, main one, or C1. Oh, sorry. Why it is not working? Okay, C1. So let's write the style of C1. So we will write C1 background color red, and yeah. Okay. After that, it what it contain. So let's go here. So it's have a Spotify logo, then set the scene with music mode. So let's copy it and we will embed both. So right here, so let it be S3. Okay, okay, and image here. It's a Spotify icon. Okay, okay. So dot slash images Spotify icon. So I have all the images in this folder, image folder. If you go, there is more than six or seven images. So I have all image in this folder. So let's open it with the live server and check what we are getting. So if you see, we are getting a very large logo of Spotify. So let's correct it. So we'll write here logo, and we will set the width of the 200 pixel, and we will also write a class here dot class. Okay. Then if you see, we are getting good. We are good to go. So then go to the main and sorry, this is okay, C1. So we will write the extra for the C1. We will write text line center to get the text in the center. Okay, we are getting image all in the center. It's good, and we'll give the color somewhat green. I think there is a green color. So let's check once. Okay, it's white and green, mixture of white and green. So where? So I think it's good. Okay, and the font size maybe 30 pixel. Okay, that's pretty cool. So let's check it. So give it a more a little bit, 50 pixel, and also what we have to do, font weight. Okay, bold. So that's pretty cool. So let's give it some padding here. Let it be padding of the 20 pixel. So we are good to go. And then go to the next section. So if you see, we have the generals. So we have to put this section. Okay, let's go to here. So let's make another div C2, and we will write the code here. Okay. And then again. So same we are getting, and let's see here. Okay. Then write the style for the C2. Okay, so we'll write the text line center and padding 20 pixel. Is it good? Now we have to make a bottom also here. So let's P3 and we will create a bottom here. Okay, button and go here. Listen now. Okay, so listen now. Let's give the some CSS to it. Let's go here. So we are getting here and we have to give CSS to it and also some CSS to this text. Okay, we have to give some CSS to this also. So let's go here and we will write C2. So what we have done, we given the we have give some CSS property to this 20 pixels, font size is 20 pixel, and then line height is 10 pixel. Okay, p is small. Okay, then we have to also give class to the bottom there. So C3 margin top. Okay, not bottom, top. Let it be 50 pixel. Okay, explain center. So we are getting the bottom at the center. Then we will put some CSS to the bottom there. Okay, so background color black, color white. I think it is good. Okay, go here. So you're getting, but we have to put a padding and margin. Sorry, only padding. Okay, this 20 pixel. Then so 20 pixel at the bottom and the top, and 50 pixel right and left. So it is good. Now we have to do. We have to give border radius. Border radius. Let it be 50 pixel. So it is good if you go here. So there should be more than 50 pixel. Let make it 70. Okay. Okay. Now it is good. Similar to it, and we also put a bold. Text is bold. So we will write font weight bold. Okay. So it is good now. Let's move to the next section. So now it is now this is a very important section. We have to put image here. So let's go and see how can we put image. Then we have to make another section. Let it be fully F4. Okay, dot F4. Okay, so if you try to give the CSS property of the grid, if you want to use the grid will not work here. So because the Node do not support, Node and the Gmail do not support the style properly. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to use div here exactly. Okay, so how can we use? Let's see how we are going to use. So we will make a three class. We have okay, we have 3 rows, so we will make 3 class. So we will write mg bottom 3. See, we get the 3 class here. So in each class, we have to make 3 different things. So not 3 different things. Basically, we have to put the image. So we'll write image, and in the src, we have to write image slash image. Okay, let it be 1 right now, and we'll write Spotify itself here. Oh, okay, let it be Spotify. Then copy, hit enter, and paste again. Okay, so we are getting the 2 image in the each one. So what we have to do now? Let's check in the how we are getting the output here. So if you see, we are getting the output quite similar to it. Okay, but it is not at the center, so we have to put in the center. So let's go to the top and give some property to F4. Okay, margin. Okay, let it be 20 pixel and it's 0 pixel. Okay, so now it is good. Okay, uh, text align center. Okay, we are getting the center now. That's good. That's good. Then we have to write. We have to give. So let's give some style to the image. C4 dot. Okay, let it be image bottom, and under it we have images, all the images. Then we will write width. Let it be 300 pixel or 200. Okay, let it be 200 pixel. Then margin. So we will give some margin of the 5 pixel itself. So that's pretty good. So it's similar to this now. If you give, okay. So let's increase the some size, make it 250. Okay. So now it is good. Okay, we will correct at the final time. So let it be here, and let's move to the another section at the bottom. So at the bottom we have only the div with the red color. So let's go at the bottom, and we will write c dot 5, I think. So this is 5, okay, and we will give the css to it. So we'll write dot c5, background color red, then height 100 pixel. Okay, that's good, I think. So we are getting same thing. Okay, after that we have another section of this. So we see we have a gray color at the background. Okay, so at the last, so c6. Okay, so let's see what we have. So if you see we have a logo here, Spotify logo, then we have some padding here both side and at the bottom also. So we will give some css to it. So let's go at the top and write c. Okay, c6, background color gray. It would be light gray. Okay, go at the top, at the top. Okay, that's good, and we will put some padding also. Padding 30 pixel and 20 pixel. That's great. After that, Spotify logo. So go at the bottom, and okay, image Spotify PNG. So see we are getting or not. Okay, we are getting so it Spotify icon. Okay, we are getting the right one. So we will put some. Okay, we have already written style for it. So give it class to logo, and if you see we are getting good. Okay, then yeah. So then go to the this email here. Then if you see we have HR tag here, line, and also either that line also. So go bottom HR. Okay, so see if we are getting, so we can change the width or I mean height according to our need. So okay, after that we have this line get Spotify for iPhone, iPad. So let me write it, I will show you this same output as this one. So if you see we need some of the margin at the top and the bottom, so we will put here. So by the way, this is the code what we are using basically. Okay, so okay, we are not using the device class here. So I will put the style color. Okay, and we will write here another property of the margin. Okay, then we need at the top and the bottom, so we'll write 20 pixel and the 0 pixel. So let's see. Okay, now we are getting the good. Okay, and the at the top at the bottom we want this output. So let's see how we are getting. So if you see we are what we have used here. So we will write in the simple div get Spotify for, and then we will use span. In the span we have used the font font weight bold for this type of output. Okay, then we have used this. So if you see this is basically a p tag with some a tag, and then span we can use span to make it bold. Okay, so let's do it. So let's copy and paste here. Okay, so this is a blue. Okay, let's make it. So we will reuse here a tag. Okay, let's see what we are getting. Okay, we have to close here also. We haven't closed. Okay, now we are getting same as this one. So basically a little bit a different color, but yeah, you can manage it. We can manage it basically. Okay, so let's go again. Yeah, and at the bottom we have to make it bold. Edit your profile and unsubscribe. So right here, give the cursor here and here also. So right, span, style. Okay, font weight, bold. Then okay, that's great. Then again open span, closing span. Okay, so that's good, I think. Let's see we have get or not what we want. So basically we have two closing span, but we want only one. So what we'll do, we will remove one, and what can we do other than this? Okay, then okay, here close this one and remove this one. Also close here and remove this one. Okay, so let's see output. So if you see we are getting the, okay, this is the male one. Okay, we are getting the same, but if you see this is black and here is a little bit gray color. Okay, so we will write the CSS. Okay, C6. So we will write here color also gray. So let's see. So we see we are getting the same output as that one. So let's send to the our mail test. So let's test the in the mail. So we'll write Spotify .html and we'll send it. But before we have to, okay, we have been to change here our image name 1, 2, 3. So we have basically 8 images. So we will write, we have to set it as attachment also. So set attachment, and we will pass the object here. So we will write file name basically. So first we are sending the Spotify PNG, then okay. After that we have to set the path also. And then okay. Then again we have another picture Spotify. Okay, now so we see we are going to send Spotify icon. Okay, so directory name is Spotify icon and icon. We have two icon, different icon, and at the top on bottom also we will write underscore icon. And yeah, and okay, so we have six different image, but I have written the image name as image 1, 2, 3. So we will use for loop here. Okay, greater equal to 6, because we have 6 image, and we will use for loop to set it. Okay, we are not going to write 6 time. Okay, so we will write Spotify file name, then backticks, then we will write, okay, not Spotify, this is img image 1. Okay, we have image 1 png, then we have to give the path where is that image. So path directory name image 1. Okay, then we have to write cid. So basically we are not using cid. So let's see what we are getting if we do not use cid here. So let's run our terminal node mail js. Okay, so let's see. So my function is already called, so we are getting the image set attachment. Okay, so I think my function name is set attach. Okay, that's attachment already. So let's see what we are getting, why we are getting the wrong. Set attach is not defined. Okay, but we have this method here at the top. If you see set attachment. Okay, so let's go bottom, see what we are doing wrong here. Okay, set attachment. Okay, mail. Okay, we have to write mail dot set attachment here now. Okay, now let's check. So we are getting the same. Oh, okay, we are getting the another error. No such file directory opens. Project nodemiller mg. Okay, it's going to this folder nodemiller, but not going to the image. So what we have to do? We have to write here slash image images. Also here images, and at the bottom also images. So let's see. So we see it's changed the email successfully. We get the response here. So let's check. Go back once. So we see we have received an email here. Let's open it. So if you see we get the attachment at the bottom, but we haven't received the image here. So at the last time, I have taught you how to send the embedded image. Okay, and also if you haven't watched, please check out my previous videos. I will put the link in the description box. Okay, so let's see how can we send this image. So go to the Spotify HTML where we are working, and what we will write? We will write here CID. Okay, that's good enough. So CID image, we have to write CID everywhere and a unique name for each image. So let me write everywhere. So we have changed the image name CID dot CID colon image1 image2 just like this, and we have also changed this logo from image logo to CID Spotify icon. Okay, then at the top we also have logo, another logo. So we also write here CID column. Okay, then remove this change, then go to the mail here, and okay, now file image go CID is this. Okay, CID is our icon, and here underscore icon, and here image1 to okay. So let's see we are getting or not. So if you see we have received a response here low. So let's check we have received or not. So this is the mail we have received. Okay, at the bottom. Okay, here. So if you see we have received image here, but if you see we are getting the download and add drives, have to go to these type of options. here also we are getting these options. So but we have achieved that template what I told you, what we have in the Spotify. But in this template we are not getting that option. So let's see how can we remove that option, or what can we do. So so let's go here. And so in the file attachment, node do not provide anything which remove the option of the download and add to this. So what can we do? So we can just make it as a background image of our bottom. So let's see how can we do it. So we'll write bottom. Okay, then okay, style background image is shady image one. Okay, and yeah, remove that one, shady image two. So let me write all the. So we have changed all the image tag to the bottom, and we have changed the background bottom to the image, and we have to give some style to it, like width and height. So let's see if we have given some style to our image or not. So go at the top. So if you see image bottom and this, so we have given the style to our image. Let's change it to bottom. Okay, then width is same, and we have to also write for the height. So height is 250. Okay, so now let's see. So comment and uncomment this. So we have received response, that means email is sended. So let's go. So if you see we have received here, so go at the bottom. Okay, so if you see we are not getting that option of download and add to drive, just like that. But we are getting at the top. Okay, we are also not getting at the top. That's surprising. So if you see image is not aligned at the center, so what can we do? And also see the bottom part. So we see we are at the bottom, we are getting the download option and this type option. So as I showed you, how can you remove that option using the background image? You can do it for on this also. And so let's see how can you send this image. So go at the code first, go at the okay at the HTML file, go to the in the styling part, and we have to write border none. Then also we have to write border, okay, background size is covered, yeah, to cover this. And one which we featured, what we write, background position to the center. Okay, that's great. So let's send it and try once again. By the way, if you want to see whole code, I will show you in the end of this video, so wait for it. So let's uncomment it. So we have received the response here. So go to the email and let's click on the show and go bottom. So if you see, image is now sent at the center, and it is exactly like this one, the this one. So it is a little bit small, but our is a little bit bigger than that one. So we can manage it with the, we can adjust the height and width. So does it not matter more? So that's it. And let's go to the code part. So as I told you, I will show the code here. So go at the bottom. So first line is require.env to get the credentials from the .env file. Then we are calling the node mailer here. Okay. Then fs, which is the file system. Then path to get the part of the file. Here we have created the transporter. Okay, where we are using the service Gmail, host, SMTP, secure calls, and auth. Basically, this is the email ID and this is the password. So how can you generate the password? You can see that video. I will put the I in the I link or in the description box. You can watch the whole series. Okay, and this is the mail class where we have created all the methods and the constructors. So in the constructors, we have all the options which we want to send in the mail. So this is the form which will show where this email you have received to the receiver. That's like that. Here we have received the email from Ultimate Coding Beast, but our sender ID is basically the email ID is this one, and you can do this like from using this from, and in the address we will put the email ID and in the name what your company name or what you want to send to show your name in the name one. Okay, then here is the set. Basically these are the method, and these are the method definition I taught you in the previous video. So yeah, that's it. And these all are the methods at the query bottom. Okay, so this is the send method where we send the mail. So you can make it promise here also. If you want to use, so you will get and receive the response from it. In the upcoming video, I will show you how can you make it a promise here. Okay, Yeah, that's it for video. So if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe, and please do it, please, 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 please. So that's it. Thank you.